Are you worried about how to wrap your hands around when you do Eka Pada Rajakapotasana? Then this video is for you. Watch this video throughout because I'm going to give you a very important techniques which will help you to go deeper into your Rajakapotasana. While inhaling, take your right hand behind as much as possible. Press your shin down, engage your quadriceps, rise your left hand. Lower your buttocks down, take your left hand as far back as possible. Press your shin down, inhale, engage your quads, rise your right hand. Continue. Inhale, right hand behind, rise your left hand. Exhale, lower. Inhale, right up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, left up. Exhale, lower. Now both the fingers pointing towards your toes. Roll your shoulders back. Press your shin, rise your hip. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Inhale up and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, slowly lower your buttocks down. Walk your hands forward. Okay, now take the strap. Make a small loop. Wrap it around your right ankle. Okay. From here, curl your toes. Hold the strap onto your right hand. I'm holding the strap, wrapping the strap on my left ankle and holding the strap on my right hand. Take the strap around. First come into half camel. Place your left hand on your left heel. Okay. Now from here, I want you to make sure the strap should be around your left hand. Now, if you want more intense, reduce the distance between your hand and your ankle. Okay. From there, rotate your hands, wrap it around, bring it forward. Inhale, take your hands around as much as possible. Inhale and exhale. Now this really moves your whole shoulder joint. If you want a little more intense, keep reducing the gap maybe after every third or fifth one. 1, forward. 2, forward. 3, forward. 4 and forward. So if you want to go a little more deeper, you can try that also. 1 and forward. 2 and forward. Because here you have already back bend. When you do Rajakapotasana, it's a backward bending posture, and also you have to use your shoulder extension. So this moment, what we are doing right now, it really helps you to extend your extension in the right shoulder. Alright. The same idea, switch other side. I hope you tried both the sides equally. Now we will try both the shoulders together. Okay. Now come into Vajrasana position or Thunderbolt position. Take the strap just behind your or back of the middle of the foot. Place it under your middle of the foot. Okay. So make sure the strap is equally lengthened each side. Now it's very important how to hold the strap here. So we are doing external rotation in the shoulders. So this is internal rotation and this is external rotation in the shoulder. So we have to do external rotation and take the strap holding the thumb on the top. Okay, both the sides. Now comfortable distance at the beginning. From here, you need to flex your elbow, like take your elbow close to the rib cage and then rise your elbow up. Okay, and then again lower your shoulders and then release. Try again. So here you have more external rotation and then release. Now it's very easy, I know. So walk your hands a little more closer now. Let's increase the intensity. Rise your elbow. So first rise your hands, flex your elbow, rise your elbow, feel that external rotation and then try to extend your thoracic spine. And slowly release. Try this few times. Inhale. Extend your hands simultaneously. Try to bring your elbow closer so you can feel that how much external rotation we are able to do when we do this practice. And this is the exact movement what we will do when we do Rajakapotasana. Okay, keep walking your hands closer if you want more intense. This is the kind of more intense for me now. So figure out where you are kind of struggling. So try this every day. So this is not one class practice. This you should try at least 5 to 10 minutes every day if you want to reach that posture. Okay, lie down on your belly. We need one block. Now from here, try not to lift your legs, only your upper body, your chest, head, your hands along with the block. Okay? Now inhale, rise up. Now from here, take your right hand behind, flex your left elbow, try to pass the block from your left hand to your right hand, like how you do cow face pose. And then switch your hands, right hand over, flex your elbow, pass the block. But try not to lower your torso. Keep switching your hands a few times. It's very good practice to increase the strength in your back side of the muscles, and also it increases the mobility in your shoulders. Okay, now it's time to improve the range of movement in your hips. Okay, come into again thunderbolt pose or vajrasana. Keep your hands close to your knees. Okay, from here extend your right leg behind. See, option 1, you can lower your right knee. Option 2, you can keep your right knee up if you want deeper stretch in your hip flexor. From here, drop your right heel, lower your buttocks down, come into Asana, reach your right hand as far back as towards your right leg, open your left shoulder. Or you can take your left hand behind, grab your right inner thigh and reach your right hand. You can lower your hand, you can turn towards your left side, rise your hip, and then bring your both knees together. Try same on the other side. You can reach, go for first variation, or you can try the second variation. Okay, now from here, so now comes a very important stage. So what we do is, extend your right leg behind, lower your buttocks, extend your left leg towards your left side, coming to wide leg forward bend. Now from here, very important is take your right hand behind, rise the hip, lower your buttocks down, take your left hand by the side of your hip, with your right hand grab your outer edge of the left foot, you can lean forward. Try this few times. Inhale, rise the hip, exhale, forward towards your left leg. Inhale, exhale, forward. Now from here, flex your right knee, roll onto your facing to the back side of your mat. Now, option 1, try to keep your right leg, if it's okay to keep your knee and ankle in same line, or you can take it closer. Right, exhale, forward, inhale, up, exhale, forward, inhale, up. Few times. Right, from here, bring your left ankle over your right knee, left ankle over your left knee over your right ankle. Lean forward. Stay here for a few breaths. Slowly walk your hands back. Now place your top leg, the left leg, in front, and then swing your right leg all the way back into pigeon pose. Now here, you can grab the block. Okay. Hold the block with between your both the hands. Inhale, rise your hands, holding the block. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Remove the block. Extend your both the leg, facing to the back side of your mat. Now before what we did with the right hand. Now we're going to try with the left hand. Left hand behind, rise the hip, lower your buttocks. With your left hand, grab your outer edge of the right foot and lean forward. Try a few times. Inhale, up. And exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Last one, you can hold few breaths. Come back to center. Now flex your right knee. Again, rise the hip. Hold your ankle and your knee. Lower your torso. Exhale, inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Inhale up, exhale lower, inhale up. Now bring your left shin on top of the right. Walk your hands forward, come into forward fold. If you want a little more deeper, hold the block and stay. Lift your sternum, try to extend your middle back. And exhale, lower. Release your hand. Place your left leg in the front. Take your right leg behind. The same idea, you can try other way around so that you can balance on both the sides. Okay, this is one of the good practice for your hip joint. Before we reach the final pose, we have to try few more practices with using the wall support. So let's go close to the wall support and then try these practices as well. Now we need 2 blocks and a strap. So what we do, we come into first half pigeon. So for now, take 2 blocks, keep it by the side, close to the body or close to the legs. Try to lift your sternum up. Feel that extension in the thoracic spine. Stay here for a few breaths. Connect your soles to the wall. Alright, now switch other side. You can increase the height of the blocks if you want to. Alright, the second step is, now you need to bring your shin towards the wall and then the left leg. So what I have told you already, you don't have to keep your left ankle, left knee in same line. Okay, so here it's okay to keep your left shin across the mat. Try to bring your shin to the wall. Use the 2 blocks either in the front, or if it's okay, keep walking your blocks a little more closer to lift your sternum. Try for this. If you have a wall support, if we have this kind of ropes, we can use these ropes. Yeah. Hold here for a few deep breaths. Our body has a capacity to get used to the posture if we hold for long hours. So that's what Iyengar, the teacher Iyengar, used to do it. So he has to make people to hold asana for long hours so that they can experience the pose and get more deeper into the pose and also benefits of the pose. Now from here, you can try, take the strap, wrap it around your ankle or towards your feet. We'll try with the ankle. Now remember how we did in the beginning. Your hand should go underneath, external rotation, flex your elbow, rise your shoulders. Yeah? And then release. Few times try this. You can use the another hand on the block or on your knees. Keep walking your hands closer. So here you have kind of support from the wall so that your leg will not be falling to the sideways. You also get the balance. Okay. Once you're able to do this one, then we can try going on to the mat directly. Now try the same thing on the other side. Afterwards we'll try directly on the mat. Come onto the mat. Take the strap, wrap it around your ankle or your... Now take the strap, wrap it around your feet. Okay. Now from here, if you want, you can use the block in the front or keep it by the side. Now don't point your toes, flex your toes, then rise your hand as much as possible. Okay? And try few times this one. The same idea. So now we are trying to bring this feet close to the torso, back of the body. So before with the wall support, we were trying to bring our torso towards the feet. Okay? So now, if you're okay, don't have to use the strap. Hold your feet like this outside. Flex your ankle, dorsiflexion. From here, take your heel close to the buttocks, and then I want you to lift this sides of the body, sink your hip down. From there, rise your elbow. Right? So keep your knee relaxed. So once you rise your elbow, you can flex your, you can point your ankle. Try this few times. So if comfortable, you can reach both the hands. Alright. So try the same thing on the other side. I hope you got some knowledge about practicing Eka Pada Rajakapotasana. It's not about one day practice. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of practice, dedication. At least try twice or thrice a week these practices, whatever we have did for your hip, for your shoulder, and then together with the wall support. There are a lot of other practices which we can do it with support of other props. If you want to know about those practices, just let me know your comments, and then definitely I'll make one more video. I hope you like this practice, and I also hope you'll practice this. Please hit like if you like this video, and press the bell icon to get updates on upcoming videos, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel. I hope you have enjoyed this practice. If you want to know more and more practices like this, please comment below and let us know. Namaste.